7 years ago, actually, I hosted the first symposium at that time, which is a user symposium and very small, but over the time, it became really a forum for the thought leader in this cancer immunotherapy field, where you can exchange idea and talk about the breakthrough. And I think for the audience and also for us, it's a great learning experience. So hopefully you all will enjoy this meeting.
It really is a pleasure to be at this meeting today. I think that the subject matter is critically important, and it's one that we're all kind of trying to address, and that really is, what are the key quality attributes about your cell therapy product that really correlate strongly with clinical outcome. And so what you see at this meeting, and you've seen it in all the talks, is an intersection between the fundamental T-cell biologists, at least in our space, and the clinical trialists that are really generating the data that, in combination with these key quality attributes, are really going to come up with what's important about those T-cells during the manufacturing process that allow us to select for the right kind of T-cells for that right individual.
I think it's important to come to these meetings because this is the developer of the technology, and they're going to invite people who they see at the cutting edge of the applications. And I think that it's important to come to see what the next development is going to be and how people have used the Xcelligence platform to build more complex models of what the T-cell product, in our case, is actually going to face in vivo. I think that for us in our T-cell engineering and TIL space, it's been absolutely enabling. There are things that we can do in that we make PDX cell lines from everybody's tumor, and there's no other way that we could ask what the final delivery of the death blow is if not for this system.
It's really important that people pay attention to new technology in the field, because new technology actually is the driver for science, right? If you have new technology, you can discover new things, you can kind of look into new dimensions. And I think the real-time Xcelligence assay really helped us to look at the dynamics of the assay and look at the multifaceted kind of functional response of our immune cells to the target cells. And this has been like game-changing for us, because we were able to kind of use this to develop a potential potency assay for our product, and then kind of to improve our product to look at the key characteristics of our product.
Thank you for being here, and it's kind of nice to see the evolution of these user meetings and how they've changed over the years. Pursuing this immunotherapy field has really paid off for us, also commercially, and I can tell you that we are committed to this particular field. That's it. Well, thank you very much, and I hope we can see you next year. Thank you.